My name's Richard Martin, and I don't really want to show my face because something I have to say. I've just come out of the closet, and I've told my parents, but they didn't take it so well. My dad told me before if I ever became gay, kick the crap out of me. But yeah, it's early this morning, and I just came out of the closet. I still haven't told my dad that I do have a boyfriend. I'm 17 years old, and this is the only way I could really put let my feelings out, right? So thanks, YouTube.